In this demo, I will be looking for images for a classics class using the ARTStor database. So, say that I wanted to find a jug. That's not very specific, so it turns up a lot. I can narrow the results either by classification, geography, as well as date. So I'm going to choose decorative arts since it's a jug, and I want to say Greece, which narrows it down to 99. And I could also play with this timeline up here. Where you see a hash mark is where there's an object. So there seems to be more in this time frame than in this time frame, so I'm just going to click here. And that gives me 1, so maybe not that kind of limit, but you get the idea. So I can click on a number of images that look interesting and go ahead and add them to my folder. So under Organize, save selected images to a new image group that you can set up, or an existing image group. So I have an image group called Classics that's available at the institutional level, and I can save. I can also look at an image individually and either save it as it appears, or I can also zoom in as much as the image will allow. And I'm just clicking on it to get closer. There's a button at the bottom that lets me save to existing image group. So I'm just going to pick Classics again and save. There's also an information button, which may appear underneath the bar, but it provides the metadata for this piece. So you can see that it's a funerary oil jug, so not for water, and that it's white ground terracotta that's been painted. You have the approximate date range, the measurements, any descriptive information, as well as information about the repository. So this particular piece is held by the Cleveland Museum of Art with a link to their museum, as well as copyright information. So you can also use the advanced search if you want to put in keywords, date range, geography, up to 5 filters from any of these. So once you have images in your folder, then you need to know what to do with them. So there's a separate demo for that.